right overhead. I'm getting in the car. Large tornado near Kimball, Nebraska. Wow, large tornado.
This is my 2023 storm chasing recap video. My year started off with witnessing a beautiful long white tornado in Iowa. Then I had a few nice structure days in early May in Nebraska and Kansas to start off my chasecation.
We are in a tornado warning. This part is really spooky. Yeah, this storm is ridiculous. I cannot see any possible tornado due to how much inflow this thing has with all the dust. But it is majorly sucking up dust. I'm getting sustained 40 to 45 mile per hour inflow. Tons of dust coming into this thing, so I cannot see anything. I'm getting pelted.
After witnessing the tornadoes in Colorado, the rest of my chasecation was really rough and disappointing. The next few days featured costly mistakes that led me to missing tons of tornadoes in Kansas and Nebraska over a 2-day stretch, including the notorious Spalding, Nebraska wedge. To add salt to the wound, my car broke down in Iowa on May 13th, practically leaving me stranded in Iowa for a period of time. On June 23rd, I chased a tornado-producing supercell near Scottsbluff, Nebraska. I was just a few minutes late for the main show, but I do believe I got a rain-wrapped tornado crossing the road.
This might be the whole tornado in front of us. It's hard to tell, but it's definitely moving left to right. Is getting absolutely rocked right here. Yeah, that very well might be the tornado. These are RFD winds wrapping around.
I would finally redeem myself on June 28th, witnessing a tornado near Kimball, Nebraska.
This lightning is right overhead. I'm getting in the car. Terrified of lightning. You'll hear me scream like a little girl. No shame. Ah!
Later in the evening in northeast Colorado, I had my windshield busted out by very large hail.
Let's not finish off this chase by busting out my windshield. Jesus Christ, these are massive. I need better cover. Trying to wedge myself between this tree.
was an exciting day witnessing a tornado and then witnessing very, very large hail later on. Although I didn't want to get my windshield busted out, but sometimes it happens.
Holy moly!
Continue on Northwest
This thing
90th
is
Street for 1 mile.
terrifying. Wow. Wow.
My final tornado of 2023 came on August 8th near Yuma, Colorado. I made it just barely on time to witness a large tornado.
Wow, large
I did make an
tornado.
analysis video on this if you want to check it out.
That thing kind of came out of nowhere.
Yeah, it did. That's why I stopped and looked back.
I've been having trouble getting radar to load. It should be moving to our east.
Yeah, it's slowly moving.
Incredible Supercell. Somewhere in Colorado. Very rural. Dirt road. Incredible. Updraft vault. Get some crazy inflow winds into the storm. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous.
And I also lost my windshield on this day due to large hail.
Frickin' humongous. Lost the windshield. God dang it. Frickin' lost the windshield again.
I never did get that windshield replaced because I figured I would lose it again to hail at some point. And sure enough, on September 9th, I completely had my windshield obliterated by hail.
Losing the windshield more. God, this is loud. Completely demolished windshield. Well, first time I've had hail really destroy my windshield, where it's broken in a lot of different places. Pretty difficult to see on the way home. Yeah, the hail came down really fast, and there was a lot of it. I'm guessing probably at least 2-inch hail. Let me just based off that right there. But yeah, pretty difficult to see on the way home.
Well, I hope you made it this far, and I hope you enjoy. 2023 was one of my most challenging, if not my most challenging, storm chasing year yet to date. It's sometimes hard to focus on the successes that I did have, with all the mistakes and failures and other external factors that went into the difficulties. But, looking back while making this, I had a pretty dang good year, and I'm pretty proud of myself for what I did accomplish. Hope to capitalize more in 2024, and I'm so excited to see what this year's storm chasing brings. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe, like this video, comment your favorite part or your favorite chase of mine from this year, and I hope to see you in another video, or if not a live stream. Thanks for supporting me and my channel. Take care, everyone.